Hello, I'm WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank. I've got your forecast for today, the next several days as we end April and begin the new month of May. Well, April, as you know, has been a cold month until this past week when we've had a few red squares in there. Temperatures a bit above average. But we still have the mean for the month as -3, and that compares to April 2017 when that month was plus 3.6. So certainly it's been colder than average. The good news is the daylight continues to increase. Let there be light, and there will be more light. In fact, tomorrow we reach a milestone. We're up to 14 hours straight up, 14 hours on the button for daylight. And then by May 29th, we're up to 15 hours and a minute of daylight. And then we max out on June 21st for the greatest amount of daylight at 15 hours and 18 minutes and some change, a few seconds mixed in there as well. So that's something to look forward to in the next couple of months as the daylight continues to increase. What we're not looking forward to is this pollen, because now we're in the season for the tree pollen to really cause problems for many folks. Those that are allergic to maple, juniper, and elm, those are the main allergens. Not going to be that great the next couple of days. Pollen count right around the upper moderate to low high range, and then we perhaps drop down a bit in the next couple of days as we get a few showers around, which may help to cleanse the atmosphere a little bit. It's not going to be a widespread soaking rain that would cause it a low pollen count levels. And then it looks like as we get to Tuesday, the pollen levels will be increasing again. And Wednesday and Thursday, they're probably going to be maxing out. Then we'll have some wind around at that point, blowing some of that pollen around. These will be our high temperatures across the nation today, and most of the country is looking good. Of course, it's hot in the desert southwest, 96 in Phoenix today, 70s and 80s until you get up around the Great Lakes. We have a pool of cold air, sort of a chunk of chill, which is actually going to start to head toward New England. And the reflection of that is this surface system here, which will cause a few showers and storms in New York and Pennsylvania this afternoon. And that action will move into western New England early this evening, early to mid-evening, I would say, and probably slowly fall apart as it tries to head eastward. There's the system which gave us the rain yesterday, amounting to a ½ inch or less, according to most of our WBZ weather watchers. So if you go into the game at Fenway Park today for the 4:05 first pitch, it looks like it should be fine at Fenway with sunshine out there and just a few clouds perhaps in the upper 60s. It might be a tad cooler depending on how much that sea breeze comes in, but it doesn't look like a strong sea breeze today, so it may not even be felt that much at Fenway Park anyway. And then for tomorrow afternoon, it's an early afternoon game, and there is a risk of a few scattered showers. A couple of showers could be crossing over Fenway tomorrow, so we'll have to watch that. Temperatures will be mostly in the mid and upper 50s tomorrow, so definitely a different day as it's cooler. Afternoon high temperatures today will be up around 70 to 73 in Metro West communities, but then cooler at the south-facing coastal spots, 50s to mid-60s, and also cooler right along the immediate east coastal beaches as well, mainly upper 50s and lower 60s this afternoon as that sea breeze goes up to 10 miles an hour or so. These will be your low temperatures tonight, and they will be a little bit above the average for late April, being in the mid to upper 40s. And your high temperatures tomorrow should be in the mid to upper 50s, so that's a little bit below average by a few degrees. The average high in Boston for the end of April should be around 60. So this afternoon, look at all the sunshine we have. It should be fine. A lot of cloudiness down, just a lot of low cloudiness hanging just offshore. It may expand up over southeastern Massachusetts tonight as that band of showers and isolated thunderstorms moves into western New England by mid to late evening, and then just sort of falls apart as additional newer showers form tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. So it'll be a changeable day, but featuring mostly clouds as opposed to sunshine. Although there'll be a few breaks of sun, there'll be some scattered showers sort of whirling around in this pinwheel effect here. What we have is an upper level system which is going to come eastward and just kind of spin here for a couple of days and crank out showers from time to time. And then finally it spins its way and is pushed offshore. But that won't happen until Tuesday. Monday it still looks like we're going to have some scattered showers here. So here's what happens with the upper level system. Deep trough of low pressure. In fact, this is almost a closed-off system here. It's kind of a pool of cold air. It's responsible for making lots of clouds and showers. Watch this gradually shift eastward. There it goes, there it goes. Watch it go away. And as it does so, the jet stream changes and allows the very warm air to come our way. However, a cold front will be coming down from the north, so that may set off showers and thunderstorms in northern New England as we get late in the week. Right now, it looks like southern New England should stay in the warm air mass, mostly middle 80s. But if you're at south-facing coastal locations, the outer part of Cape Ann, all along the New England south coast, Cape and the islands, would be much cooler in the mostly 60s and even probably upper 50s in Chatham and mostly 50s over Nantucket. So they're not going to feel that warmth like much of the rest of the region will. That's your forecast for a couple cool days ahead tomorrow on Monday, and then starting to warm up big time, getting close to 70 on Tuesday. You can watch WBZ News tonight at 6 o'clock, again at 11 o'clock, and if you want to see it on MyTV 38, you tune in at 8 o'clock, and you'll see it then too for the latest news and weather updates. Have a nice rest of the weekend.